LYF Flame, and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the upper bar twice, and let's tap here on the battery icon right here. Let's tap it, and as you can see here, we've got the battery consumption settings, the battery information, and here you can also use the more key and select battery saver. So here you can enable the battery saver right now. The device just enables the battery saver, or you can turn off the battery saver in the same way. Here you can also turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So basically that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.